Your Bluetooth app works perfectly in the lab until you take it to a client demo and it crashes right there and then. I've been there and I know exactly how frustrating this can be. The truth is that every single tutorial in AI generated code sample only shows you the happy path where there are perfect connections, no errors and no real world chaos. But when you're building for production, you're hit with Android and iOS permission issues, device quirks and ESP32 disconnects, and suddenly your finished app is actually weeks away from working. And that is why I decided to test out the idea of creating a Bluetooth mobile development starter kit, which provides the Flutter source code, AI prompt libraries and architecture guides that can save you weeks of development time. It's ready to be customized so that you can go from prototype to production without endless debugging or outdated tutorials. If you guys don't know who I am, my name is Sahil Bora. I'm a Melbourne-based software engineer with over 6+ years designing and developing mobile apps that specialize in Bluetooth connectivity in automotive, healthcare, smart lighting and IoT. And I've spent over $10,000 in learning what actually works in production, and I'm putting it all together in this kit for you guys. So if you guys are ready to stop wasting weeks and start shipping Bluetooth apps that actually work, reserve your kit now for only $1 today. When it's ready, if you're not blown away, you keep the dollar.